In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide. How to resize an image proportionally without cropping in Figma. If you've ever resized a photo and ended up with parts cut off or the image looking stretched, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep everything clean and non-destructive so the full image stays visible, just bigger or smaller while maintaining its original proportions. First, head into Figma and open the file where your image lives. Click directly on the image layer to select it. If the image is inside a frame or group, make sure you select the image itself, not the parent frame, so you're scaling the right thing. Now, to resize proportionally by hand, move your mouse to one of the corner handles of the selection box. Hold the Shift key, then click and drag. Holding Shift constrains the aspect ratio so the width and height change together, preventing any distortion. Drag inward to make it smaller or outward to make it larger, and release when you're happy with the size. A quick tip here. Always grab from a corner, not a side handle. Side handles will only change width or height, which can stretch the image. Also, avoid switching to any crop tools if your goal is to keep the entire picture visible. Cropping is designed to hide parts of the image, not resize them. If you prefer exact measurements, use the right side panel. With the image still selected, look for the layout or size fields that show width and height. You'll also see a small link or chain icon between those fields. Click to ensure it's enabled, which locks the aspect ratio. Now type a new value into either width or height. Figma will automatically calculate the other dimension to keep everything proportional. This is perfect when you have a precise size target, like a banner that must be exactly a certain width. If you notice the dimensions are changing independently, double check that the link is on before entering your number. As you scale, keep quality in mind. Enlarging a small, low-resolution image too much can make it look blurry or pixelated. If that happens, consider sourcing a higher resolution version. Another helpful habit is to keep an eye on your canvas zoom level. What looks sharp zoomed out might appear soft at 100% view, and that's it. Between shift dragging from the corners and using the width and height fields with the aspect ratio locked, you can resize any image in Figma proportionally without cropping. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.